Friends, welcome to Padho Smartly channel. Friends, I have told you that I will be uploading different subjects of electronics engineering for GATE preparation and IAS preparation. So before uploading those engineering subjects, I want to tell you a brief introduction about engineering. So what is engineering? Engineering has been made from the root word of engineer. This engineer is the root. Engineer is made from engine basically. In the ancient days, what happens is during the war they wanted to have an efficient engine, an efficient device. Earlier they were calling that particular thing as device so as to perform a specific task. Suppose for preparing the gun iron, for preparing the uh, gun. Basically it was previously it was meant for security. Then after some time it was evolved to clothing, garments, then it was evolved to food industry, like that. So basically engineering has been developed from engine. So engine is a mechanical part which is able to produce or do some work. So basically engineering is a branch to study a particular device which can produce or develop a work, develop a power, develop energy so as to do the particular work, the requirement work. So in engineering there are four branches. First branch is mechanical, fully hardcore branch. Second one is civil. Third one is electronics, and fourth one is electrical. So basically the base part is civil. Whatever design you have, the base part will be designed by civil students. So what is the role of these all other branches? Mechanical branch is used for mechanics. Electronics branch is used for making equipments, controllers, amplifiers, etc. Electrical engineers do the work of controlling the system. And you have heard of another branch, that is CS, computer science. Computer science is evolved from electronics and electrical only, because computer science deals with the different language, and those language has been made from our ancient electronics language, that is machine level language. So now higher level languages are used, but earlier machine level languages were used, and now except electronics students, no one can build that machine level language. Even CS students know only easy level languages. Those are higher level languages. So basically if I want to compare it with so basically if I want to compare it with a particular structure, you can say civil engineers are the engineers who build a skeleton of that structure, and mechanical students are those who improve that structure and define the particular properties so that it will not break. They strengthens the system, they put the machine parts, they put the movement machinery parts so that different things will work properly in the industry or a particular structure. And third one is electronics. Electronics basically they are for control and entertainment. controlling and providing entertainment devices like TV, mobile is the work of electronics engineers, and electrical engineers provide the nerves, that means wiring. So if you want to compare it with human body, civil engineers will build the skeleton, the mold, and mechanical engineers will build the movement parts. That means between two bones there is a particular process, so our bones move, our hand, we can move our hand. Those are mechanical parts. And organs can be termed as electronics equipment. Organs can be termed as the work of an electronics engineer. And nerves, electrical engineers provide the nerves, that means connecting organs, connecting movement parts, and connecting the skeleton is the work of electrical engineer. And so we can say that basically electrical engineers do the wiring part or connecting part. Civil engineers do the initialization of a particular project. Mechanical engineers do the movement part or kinetic and dynamic parts of a particular structure. Electronics engineer do the after work of these all branches, and CS also. CS engineers do the after work. That means they provide entertainment, they provide control over the structure, control over the properties, control over the machines used in the system. So role of electronics and electrical, I'll basically cover role of electrical and electronics because they are physically visual. And mechanical engineers, they build mechanical parts like bikes engine, like vehicles, different vehicles engine, like engine of the train. They are mostly involved on this. And let me tell you, mechanical is the original branch when engineering was evolved. Engineering basically developing engineering was idea to develop mechanical branch only. So let me start the role of electronics and electrical. Suppose a particular system is there, and in system there is a particular devices. Suppose a traffic controller is there. So traffic controller will have lights, traffic controller will have wires, traffic controller will have circuitry, traffic controller will have a automated device or a man sitting to control these particular instruments, these particular equipments. So in the system, network theory comes into play, electrical machines comes into play, power electronics come into play, control system and signal system come into play to design a particular system, and analog electronics also. Digital electronics communication is used for connection, is used for transferring the data, and electromagnetics is used for wireless transformation over the two endpoints. So actually communication, you can see it by name, communication, to communicate the two devices. Electromagnetics, that means deals with electrical field and magnetic field so as to transfer the particular signal over a long distance wirelessly, or controlling the losses occurring in the wireline channel. So before designing the system, input part is designed, output part is designed. That means we require a particular amount of output. Suppose we are putting 10 units, then we should get 6 units out of this system. So input conditioning is required, output conditioning is required. So the signal which is sent to properly work those 10 inputs is input signal. The signal which is get after the worked, after the process, is output signal. So in conditioning of the system, of course AC will come into play. Then VLSI and fabrication is used to design the circuitry ICs, which are masterpiece of any circuitry. The ICs, the integrated circuits. Integrated circuits are nothing but the circuits which are designed in a very small chip, so as to decrease the size and integrate those all parts into a single base or chip. Device circuit mainly derived from electronic drives. Then digital electronics, MP. MP is microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor and microcontroller are used for programming the particular IC or programming the particular chip. So if you want to compare these all branches, you can say that if this is electronics branch, this oval is mechanical branch, this oval is civil branch, and this oval is electrical branch, then intersection of all these branches is there, which is common to all. Means if you are studying maths, you have to study maths in all the branches. So at least 20 to 30% common is there in every branches, and in electrical and electronics there is 50% common part. Although they have separate specialists to do different works differently, and these all branches are required to properly work an industrial system or a particular required system. So this if you want to combine these all branches, the intersection will be the product. Suppose if you want to build a screwdriver will be built by the combination of mechanical, by the combination of electrical, electronics and civil engineers, because mechanical will design the machines to design the screw, then civil will design the building, civil will design the base for the machine, then electrical will wire the machines, then electronics will design the circuitry or programmable part so as to control it automatically, so as to produce many number of devices, many number of screwdrivers at the same time. Because of electronics and electrical only, we are able to produce 3000 units of a particular device. Suppose screwdrivers, 3000 screwdrivers per minute, because of integration of electronics and electrical students, electronics and electrical branches. So friend, the basically thing is the summary. If you want to summarize it, then you can say an engineering is a branch which deals with energy, which deals with a substance, which deals with a project, and combination of all engineering branches is nothing but a product. So every branch is equally responsible for a product, although it depends upon some situations that only in households, these all branches may not require, only electrical branch or electronics branches are required, but in industries all these branches are equally required to operate a particular company or industry. Thank you so much guys. Kindly subscribe if you have liked this video. I have researched through it. I have been through lots of papers and published this video for you. So kindly subscribe and share so that your friends also know the meaning of engineering, the meaning of branches of the engineering, and how to utilize it in proper manner. Basically guys, you are not knowing basically the guys do not know what to do with engineering or what is engineering. They or only subjects of engineering to get different jobs. So my suggestion is, first understand the engineering, then study the engineering. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, keep smiling, and stay tuned. Over and out.